Der, die, das, ein, eine. Are there no rules at all? So yes, there are some, but no, there are no general rules. So let's explore this topic. Today we talk about the articles in German. This topic causes for every German learner headaches. It's even a challenge for advanced or intermediate learners to always memorize the correct article. In the following video we talk about the definite and the indefinite article, and if there are some general rules that help us to pick the right article. Let's start with the indefinite article. As you know, we have 3 genders in German, but for the indefinite article, the neutral article and the male article are the same. Ein Ball, masculine. Ein Haus, neutral. Eine Banane, feminine. We use the indefinite article, for example, if we mention a random object, but don't talk about something in specific. We have a bunch of bananas and ask, möchtest du eine Banane? So I don't offer you a specific banana, just one of my bananas. We don't have a plural form for this article, so we simply say, ich habe Bananen. In general, we can never use a noun in the singular without an article, but there are some exceptions. First exception are professions. Ich bin Lehrerin. So we don't say, ich bin eine Lehrerin oder ich bin die Lehrerin, but simply say, ich bin Lehrerin. Or ich bin Journalistin. The second exception are nouns that are not countable. For example, ich brauche Zucker. Ich trinke Kaffee. Ich interessiere mich für Musik. Ich habe Geld. Ich habe Zeit. Ich habe Hunger. All those things are not countable. Now we move on to the definite articles, of which we have 3 in the nominative case. Der, die, das. So this time, der Ball, das Haus, die Banane. We use the definite article if we talk about a specific object. For example, das Haus ist aber schön. So we stand in front of the house and comment on this exact house. So, but now, which article do we need? Der, die, or das? Unfortunately, there is no easy answer to that question. There are some rules, but there are also a lot of exceptions. So, it's simply a little bit of an orientation for you. Therefore, as you know, I recommend you to learn the articles the moment you learn a new word. Because honestly, once you have memorized the wrong article, it's harder to change it later. We have groups of words which are usually with a male article. For example, words around time. So days, der Tag, der Montag, der Dienstag, and every other day of the week. The month, der Monat, der Januar, der Februar, der März, and all the other months. Seasons, der Winter, der Frühling, der Sommer, der Herbst. Times of the day, der Morgen, der Mittag, der Nachmittag, der Abend. But there are some exceptions. Das Jahr, die Woche, die Jahreszeit, die Nacht. For the female article die, it's all about endings. So the following 4 endings always have a female article. Die Kreuzung, die Nation, die Schönheit, die Freundlichkeit, die Journalistin. Additionally, a lot of words ending with an E have a female article, but that's only a strong tendency. Die Blume, die Brille, die Ente. For the neutral article there are also some endings. For example, das Kino, but there are some exceptions. Or das Bäumchen. The ending chen always emphasizes that something is very small. So now you have learned some rules. You know when to use the definite and when to use the indefinite article. Let's practice together some examples. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.